Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to my weight loss journey. Hey, good morning. I have my breakfast. It is 6 ounces of 93% ground beef, and I am down 2 pounds. I'm down to 185 this morning. I'll make sure I put the picture in the video. So that's my breakfast. There's my scale, 185.5. Yay! Lunch today is 7 ounces of steak bites and my zucchini squash blend that I sauteed up a couple weekends ago. I kept it in the freezer and pull it out a couple days before I eat it. So that is my lunch today. Hey, supper tonight. I got 7 ounces of steak in the microwave. And I've got my pickled veggies. I'm gonna pour the liquid out just so kind of help me. I take it in the living room, of course, and eat in front of the TV. So let's see. Sorry, hang on. All right. Funny, I took pickled veggies to work one day and I poured the stuff out into there's a sink in the hallway. And it's vinegar, so it's not going to hurt the drain or anything. But anyway, there's somebody whose office was right there and like, wow, it smells like pickles out here. I just chuckled to myself. I'm like, oh, yeah, that would be me. But I like that smell of vinegar. I think it reminds me of my childhood because Mom used to she used to get on her hands and knees and clean the kitchen floor with vinegar. That's how she mopped the floor back then. I only did this for 1 minute because I'm not looking for it to be really hot. I kind of enjoy my steak almost at room temperature. So that's what I'm having. Steak bites that I made, I guess, 2 weeks ago. And my pickled veggies. And I'm going to add, let's see if I can find it, some sesame seeds to my veggies. Just because I haven't had sesame seeds in a little while. And okay, so truth here. I did not go to the gym. Today's Monday. I had to go by the vet's office and pick up some medicine, and yeah, that's the story I'm sticking with. Although I did do my trampoline thing yesterday, so I'm proud of that. I just put in a YouTube video for 10 minutes and bounced and kicked and all kinds of stuff. So I got some activity yesterday, and I'll do that again this evening after my food settles. So yeah, so that's the plan. So pickled veggies and steak bites. And that's my meals for the day. And next I will show you all the calories and all that stuff. Side note, as you're reading this, I'm 15 pounds away from my goal. Yay!